Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. It's kind of raining out there. All right. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was finally in Zimbabwe, where I prepared Dovi, a Zimbabwean chicken stew. Again, not like the stews we have here in the United States. Another peanut sauce, gravy, but it had spinach and chicken, and it's not the prettiest thing, but boy, is it good. It is very yummy. I did adjust the recipe a little bit because it bothered me all week that it was just peanut butter as the part of the liquids for the sauce. I added a cup of water. Robert and I had breakfast yesterday together, and we talked about it, and we agreed. All right, the Culinary Expedition continues again today. Today we are going to Israel. This recipe, and this is a soup. I'm going to be quite honest. This is a soup. This soup goes back centuries. That's one of the things about doing things in the Middle East. Things are centuries old. I'm going to try to get this right. I don't know if it's Hebrew, if it's, I don't know. Shorabat Addas. It looks like Adidas, but it's Addas, A-D-D-A-S. Translates to lentil soup with cumin and lemon. Let's get to it. All right, the mise en place is quite simple. You can use green or red lentils. I'm using green. I'm kind of preferring them right now. Kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil, yellow onion, garlic, carrot, celery, half can of diced tomatoes, some veggie broth, lemon juice, cumin, and paprika. So as you can see, pretty simple. Ingredients that you can get just about anywhere. I look forward to making this centuries-old recipe. I hope you all have a great Saturday. So on this day, and if you're in Sutter County, it's supposed to be raining on and off for the next day or two. Enough. All right. On this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.